Here I have Honor 70 Lite, and today I'm going to show you how to enable TalkBack feature on this device. So firstly you should open settings, then you should go to the accessibility features, then go to the accessibility, and here you can find TalkBack. So here you can enable it. After that, TalkBack tutorial starts.
TalkBack on. Welcome to TalkBack. Welcome to TalkBack, page 1 of 5. TalkBack is a screen reader intended for situations or people who have difficulty seeing the screen. It gives you spoken feedback so that you can use your device without looking at the screen. You can turn TalkBack on or off by holding both volume keys for several seconds. When TalkBack is on, the focused item on the screen is spoken out loud. Swiping right will move to the next item, and swiping left will move to the previous item. Swipe right now to find the next button. New default voice. The default screen reader voice has changed.
So as you could hear, this mode is made mostly for people with blindness, or some other vision problems, and it works the way that it speaks out loud text on the screen. So for example, if you want to perform any action, you double tap on it, you tap on it,
button. Double tap to activate.
then it gets spoken out loud, and to confirm it you have to double tap anywhere on the screen like
Close
this,
tutorial.
like close,
Button.
double tap to confirm it.
Navigator.
So if you want to disable
button.
TalkBack, you tap on the switcher, double tap, then OK, double tap. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.